Adaptation in animals. Highlights of the lesson. Students will know about adaptations to habitat, adaptations for food, adaptations for protection. The natural home of an animal is called habitat. Animals live in different habitats. They live in forests, grasslands, deserts, polar regions, oceans, and rivers. The living conditions in all these habitats are different. Some places are hot, while some places are extremely cold. Other places could be dry or wet. In the natural world, a plant or an animal changes itself to suit its surroundings. This happens over hundreds and thousands of years. This process of changing to suit the surroundings is called adaptation. Animals living in a particular habitat have special features and behavior which help them to adapt themselves to those conditions. Habitats of different animals. Adaptations to habitat. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. These animals have limbs to walk and run on ground. They have lungs or air holes to breathe air. Land animals live in a variety of environments. Adaptations for polar and mountain habitats. Animals such as seals and penguins live in very cold places. They have a thick layer of fat, called blubber, under their skin to keep their body warm. Polar bears live in the cold polar regions. Polar bears have strong legs and large, flattened feet with webbing between their toes. This helps in swimming and walking on ice. Footpads on the bottom of each paw grip the ice and keep the bear from slipping. Yaks live in snowy mountains. Both these animals have thick fur which keeps them warm. Animals such as frogs and snakes cannot bear extreme cold. Therefore, they spend the winter by hiding in safe, warm places. Animals living in these places save their energy by becoming inactive during the winter season. In many places, food is not easily available in winter. During this period, they use the fat stored in their body as food. This long period of rest to remain inactive or dormant is called hibernation, winter sleep. Adaptations for desert habitat. Deserts are very hot during daytime. So, desert animals have special features to prevent water loss from their bodies. For example, camels which live in deserts have a very thick skin. They do not sweat and have certain adaptations that prevent water loss from their bodies. The thick skin helps camels to bear the heat and cold in a desert. Desert snakes and desert fox spend the daylight hours hiding in shady places such as burrows or behind boulders. They come out at night to look for food. Many animals such as desert tortoises cannot bear the heat of summer and go on a long period of summer sleep during the hot, summer months. This is called estivation, summer sleep. Do you know? The thick skin of camels helps them to bear the heat and cold in a desert. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals breathe oxygen dissolved in water. Many of them have special breathing organs called gills. Aquatic animals such as whales and dolphins have lungs and they come out of the water frequently to breathe in air. Fishes have fins, while turtles have paddles or flippers to swim through water. The body of some aquatic animals is covered with a hard covering to protect them from other animals. For example, fishes have scales, while crabs have a hard shell to cover their body. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. The animals that live both on land and water are frogs and toads. They have long back legs which help them to move on land by jumping. They have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. When they are on land, they breathe through their lungs, but when they are in water, they can breathe through their skin. Do you know? Camels store fat in their humps. They get energy from this fat when they do not get food for a long time. Camels also have wide feet that help them to walk easily on sand without sinking into it. Animals that live on trees. Land animals such as monkeys that live mostly on trees are called arboreal, say. Arboreal animals. They have sharp claws that help them to climb trees. Their powerful legs and tail help them to hold on to the branches. Strong arms and legs with claws help a monkey to climb trees and swing on branches. Animals that fly. Animals that can fly in the air are called aerial animals. Most birds and insects have wings to help them fly. Birds have feathers to keep their body warm. Their bones are hollow and have air spaces. This allows birds to take in a lot of air for producing more energy. Their boat-shaped body helps them to fly through the air easily. Birds travel long distances towards warmer places for food and warmth. In the cold winter months, many birds fly thousands of kilometers towards warmer places for food and warmth. They go back when winter ends. This seasonal movement of birds is called migration. Adaptations for food. Animals eat different kinds of foods. Accordingly, they have features that make it easy for them to gather and eat their food. Herbivores. Some animals such as cows, buffaloes, zebras and goats eat plant parts. They are called herbivores. They have sharp front teeth for biting and cutting, and very strong back teeth for grinding leaves and grass. Many herbivorous animals have special features that help them to gather their food. Elephants have long trunks to pull out grass and leaves. Giraffes have a long neck to reach for leaves from tall trees. Butterflies have a tube-like mouth to suck nectar from flowers. Carnivores. Animals such as lions, tigers, wolves and crocodiles eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. They have very sharp and pointed teeth for catching their prey and tearing its flesh. Carnivorous birds such as eagles and kites have sharp claws and strong hooked beaks to tear at the flesh of their prey. Many snakes are poisonous and their bite can kill a prey. They can open their mouth very wide to swallow their food whole. Female mosquitoes have a tube-like mouth to suck blood. Omnivores. Animals such as human beings, bears and squirrels can eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. They have sharp and strong teeth. Omnivorous birds such as crows and robins have sharp beaks. Adaptations for protection. Animals adapt to protect themselves from being harmed or hunted by other animals. Rhinoceros and buffaloes have horns to keep their enemies away. Deer run very fast to save themselves from lions and tigers. The huge size of an elephant and a hippopotamus scares away their enemies. Tortoises and snails have hard shells on their bodies. They go into their shells when faced with danger. Porcupines and hedgehogs have sharp spines that save them from their enemies. The body color of animals such as grasshoppers and polar bear matches their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Camouflage saves them from being seen by their enemies. Animals such as zebras, deers and frogs have stripes or patches on their skin which help them to hide in matching surroundings. Animals such as chameleons change their body color and pattern of the skin to match their surroundings. Insects such as the stick insect and leaf insect look like a stick and a leaf, respectively, and thus protect themselves from their enemies. This is called mimicry. Endangered animals. Some animals are disappearing fast from the earth. It is because people are destroying their habitats or hunting them for selling their body parts. Such animals are called endangered animals. Some endangered animals are elephants, rhinoceros, tigers, crocodiles, pandas, polar bears, and sea turtles. Protecting wildlife. Endangered animals can disappear forever if they are not protected in their habitats. To save these animals, the Government of India has made laws to control the killing and selling of their body parts. The Government of India has also set up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect these animals. Let's recall. Animals adapt themselves to live in their habitats. Animals are divided into groups according to their habitats. They could be terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal, or aerial. Animals can be herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Animals adapt to protect themselves from their enemies. Endangered animals can disappear if we continue to kill them and destroy their habitats. To protect and save animals, the Government of India has set up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Glossary. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and in water. Arboreal animals. Animals that live mostly on trees. Aerial animals. Animals that can fly in the air. Migration. The seasonal movement of animals.